Hi guys, this is a Mijo installation of LPG at Honda City, and I got a very good reviews from the Google, and the car performance very good. And he has got in many cars in Mercedes-Benz, CRV, Skoda, which gives you mileage of 10% less, and better performance. And it is an automatic switchover. So the cost is around from starts from 26,000 to 30,000 rupees for Mijo. And this is Mr. Sultan sir. He was a founder of cricket also. He was playing cricket and he got a lot of injuries. This is the kit over here. This is the tank, and it's supposed to be fit over here inside. This is CRV. This is the Mijo Made in India kit, Make in India, and it has a LPG, it has a CNG, and it has an automatic switchover. Mijo. So the main funda is, see, suppose my Honda City, this is an example for Honda City. In long run it gives 16 kilometers, and LPG reduced 10% to 14 kilometers. So it happens that it gives 6.3 rupees per liter and gives 3.5 kilometers, and CNG is about gives 25 kilometers at 2.20. So the efficiency surely decreased by 10, and here increased efficiency by 70%. So, and the LPG cost around something 26,000, the 25 liters cylinder, where CNG costs 43,000 starting, and it has a capacity of 12 liters, right? So this is how it works out.